There's only one place to find all your favorites, but sometimes this happens.
The bras, bra. Hey. Where do you have the bra? Moving to our second class of the day. Yeah, second class. Hey guys, today is Tuesday and I only have 3 classes today, and from there I'm going to go to church for workers meeting and prayer meeting. So yeah, let's have a great day. Break right now, and we just went to the bank to withdraw, and we did some TikTok dance. And yeah,
so now we are going back to the class.
Yes, and to just go and, I don't know, relax, yes, and sleep. Because the one that is going to take us for 5 hours. You guys, and they're taking picture.
Yeah, wait.
Come and say hi to my vlog. I made a new friend today. This is Angela. This is Paula Bling.
The lady behind her bracelet. And
yes, and this earring.
And knuckles ring. And lip gloss.
Everything. This is AY. And that's Samia for introduction. Yeah.
I'm not there now.
Okay, and this Samia.
They are fine. You know they are fine.
Guys, so right now we're on our way to a conference that is happening in our school, like Future Tech Conference. Yes, that's the name of the thing, Sha. So right now we're on our way to the venue for where they are doing the conference and all of this stuff. But we're first going to head to the library to go and charge because we have not charged for like some period of time now. They have not been lights. Yeah.
But we're doing change my exposure. Not overnight, not by law, but by showing up, learning, and staying consistent. Today, I've been able to support others. I've been able to build communities. I've been able to travel across countries and create opportunities beyond where I started.
So, the issue is not about,
you need the service in the future, or if we come to
I manage during the community time.
We just finished the conference and it was absolutely amazing. I'm not finished, but I'm going home because like it's getting late. Not that late, but I'm hungry and I'm not eating. But the time is to 3 right now. And yeah, we're going home already, but they haven't finished the conference. But I actually learned a lot because like this is actually my first stuff I've like ever gone to. And even though it's in my school, it still makes sense. Like I feel as if we should be going for like one of these programs so that we'll be able to like learn one or two stuff. Because I actually learned a lot when I went there today. And my goal for this year is for me to actually go to 3 conferences this year. Like that's literally my goal for this year. So I've gone 2 on, so let's take that out. So let me see if I can go to 2 more by the end of this year. Cause I'm sorry that we do not literally go out like that in our house. But yeah, here, let's see. Full aspect check. LTD with a lovely view. Full LTD with a lovely view. I don't know what I'm doing.